loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I have to apologize. I have like the wickedest allergies. This is my first fall season, cold and flu season at the new place, and I'm still adjusting. So I do apologize for any raspiness or any catches in my throat as I'm talking. It's just I have been sneezing and coughing up a storm, so it has not been fun. But I just wanted to pop in and first of all, thank you so much for coming into this video. All of your comments, love, and support mean the absolute world. So for today's look, as soon as I unboxed the gorgeous Into the Nude box, I thought of this wavy, trippy optical illusion checkerboard set. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. So first I'm going to grab Magnifique, because it is just that, magnificent. I'm going to do 2 thin coats, and then I'm going to go in with the gorgeous Yellow Cab, I Rule, and Perfect Black to make the most darling checkerboard and optical illusion effect. It just turns out so darling, and I did size these out for my little phalanges, so I am going to model them for you. But I absolutely love this nude collection, and I wanted to do something fun with it, and just something that if you look down at your nails, you'd be excited. This is incredibly beginner friendly, and I do the entire checkerboard design like wet, and then I do use acetone to kind of create those wavy effects and lines, and then I cure and go right into the magic. So without further ado, let's get into all of the nail art. And I did want to give credit to the beautiful human that inspired this. I did show her work, but on Pinterest it was just a screenshot. So Queen, whoever you are, or if you guys know who was the original creator, you can tag them, because I was so blown away by this design. So again, without further ado, let's get into all the magic.
Good morning, PM. You know the dealio. You know the dealio. I am having a blast with a beat, I am ripping it. Old school with some new heat like my timber. And you can find me on the streets of London, entering or in studios, getting it or at the airport tripping, man. Man, they say love goes through the stomach, so I wanna give a shout out to my girl Chicken Dish. I'm a monster with the beats, ask them youngins in the streets, $50, I bet all of them agree with me. I'm a yes man, tell a rapper no. Why you wanna kiss my hit is better if you go. I was looking damn fly, man, before I had some dough, but most look like fashion victims selling mad. Yo, F a foot in the door, I wanna leg in. Yeah, my jeans skin in, but why y'all wearing leggings? Flow so sick, I don't need a track it. I am ahead, I make the snapback match it. Whatever, man, we can talk the talk, it's whatever, but talk money. Cause except for the air that we breathe in, that is for free. So put your hands in the air like this, let me see them high in the air like this. Gotta grind, gotta keep it business. Tell them, hey, if you don't pay, it is whatever, man. Now let me hear you say, now let me hear you say, now let me hear you say, DJ drop it. I was the pilot, not the wingman in the cockpit. Music is opening doors for me like a locksmith, so I keep on rocking, keep it independent. May just keep on knocking, thick, no science fiction. Sipping on some Luco, studio living. F-rap, I see the bigger vision. Why trying to get a small when you see there's bigger fish in? Wherever, man, we can talk the talk, it's whatever, but talk money. Talk money with me. Cause except for the air that we breathe in, that is for free. So put your hands in the air like this, let me see them high in the air like this. Gotta grind, gotta keep it business. Tell them, hey, if you don't pay, it is whatever, man. Now let me hear you say, now let me hear you say, now let me hear you say, hey, hey, hey. I don't need recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours pass and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Study in the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it's show and prove. I had to leave to see what I could do.
and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. 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 Love strong. Love strong.
To everyone that stayed in this video to watch all the magic unfold, thank you. You are a real one. I appreciate you so very much. And a special tidbit for staying tuned, I'm going to be having a very special, there's going to be 2 giveaways happening on the channel. So you have to stay tuned for all of that news. Make sure you put your notification bells on because it's going to be a scavenger hunt. So you're not going to know where in the video you're going to see some magical things, and then you'll be able to enter. So all of the information is going to be coming up. So look out for that, for the videos and for all of the news. But thank you for watching this Into the Nude set. I hope you enjoyed it. This was inspired by the gorgeous nudes out of this box. I wanted to do such a fun design, and I think it turned out, as the polish says, magnifique. Thank you so much, Karina and Madam Glam, for sending out this beautiful box, and I will continue to make so much magic with it. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.